shark. Look at the size of that source over there. George could be in big trouble. Hey, George, where are you, buddy? George, come in, George. Oh, there you are. Yeah, George got big trouble. This is not going to end well.
Hey, no, George.
That's disgusting. The drops of George just became a George kebab. We're going to pull down here behind the dock. It should be a little safer. But they have some bait attached to that yellow barrel. Hopefully the shark will take that and not punch on us. So keep your eyes open. Alright, there goes the bait. Very nice. And the bait stop. What, the line break or something? I really can't tell. There's something going on down there. Hopefully let's finish the gas line. There's not even fire. Okay, we're going to hold it. Hey, wait a minute. Look out!
There's a shark! There's a shark! There's a shark! There's a shark! There's a shark!
This area that we've entered is called Mexico. It's been used in numerous productions throughout the years. Feature films like Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull, Three Amigos, Fletch Lives, also TV shows like Amazing Stories, ER, The Cosmic Race. But today we're focusing on the weather. Pretty bright out. We might catch some occasional lightning flashes, those high-intensity flash bulbs. I'll hear a little thunder and audio effect up through speakers, and of course there's your rain. Your heads, water up into the air, the water comes right back down, gives you the illusion of falling rain. So, no matter how many consecutive days of sunshine you might have here at Universal City, we can make it rain, a thunderstorm, whatever we want right here like that. And it is nice in the warmer summer months to come down and get a shower. That wasn't good. It gets flash flood time. Water gets close. Look out. And that is our flash flood on the back line. 2002, using the real big crap line. Thank you, Munoz, Amanda Mines, and Monty and Monty. Bobby, get in. Get in. This is one of the largest sets ever constructed on the back lot. Despite the use of the life-size realistic set pieces, the film did feature over 500 effect shots, which Spielberg had ever used before. Also, the houses up in the hills above the crash site there, just in case you were wondering, those houses up there, those are not sets. That is not Universal property. Those are, somebody's private residences. Some people get up in the morning and have their toast and coffee for breakfast or whatever, look out of Universal backlot. Not too shabby. Now, their houses are cool, but they're not as iconic as this. On our right, we're going to be passing by the Psycho house, looking as rustic as ever. In fact, I believe she doesn't get out much. I'm pretty sure she's here. Got to make sure we got clearance for the traffic here. You will be able to wave hello to Mother in the upstairs window, the upper left face. She'll be coming up here. The Psycho house, by the way, is what we call a shell structure. Basically, you open up that front door, it's pretty much one big wide open space. It doesn't really have any interior rooms. In fact, the last time I was in there, it had a dirt floor. But yeah, there's Mother rocking back and forth upstairs there. Wave hello to her. Also coming up on our right is our official replica of the Hollywood sign, built in conjunction with the Hollywood Chamber of Commerce. If you want a picture with it, this is where you get a chance to step out onto the lot. And this is a limited stop for a limited time. Should you so desire, you'll be disembarking for some fun, once-in-a-lifetime photo opportunities. But make sure you take all of your personal belongings with you, including your 3D glasses. When you're ready to continue your tour, you're going to be boarding a different tram with a brand new tour guide. And be sure to check out the Universal Cinematic AR filters. Just scan the QR codes found on the 60th anniversary signs of Jaws of King Kong.
Off the set, please! Off the set, ma'am! Off the set, please! Not go on the set!